Hey everyone, welcome back to Craft-e-Corner's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a t-shirt using iron-on and an easy press. To get started, we'll apply the iron-on face down onto a standard grip cutting mat. This is a super important step, so make sure that the shiny side goes down. Then mirror your image in design space and load the mat in your machine. And lastly, choose the iron-on setting on the smart dial and hit cut. When it's finished cutting, carefully remove the iron-on from the mat and remove any excess vinyl that you can save. And then we're going to weed the design, which just means to remove any excess vinyl from around the design and also inside of it. Then, grab your easy press and preheat to 315 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, I like to fold my shirt in half and press the easy press along the edge. This way, when I open the shirt back up, I'll know exactly where the center is. Once the easy press is heated, we're going to start by preheating the shirt for 15 seconds. This will remove any moisture that the shirt may have in it. And then we'll line up the iron-on exactly where we want it. This is why I like to fold the shirt, because now I know exactly where to place my iron-on. Once it's applied, press the easy press with some pressure for 30 seconds, and then flip the shirt when it's finished and press the back for another 15 seconds. And lastly, let the iron-on cool slightly before removing the liner. And that's it! Using the easy press makes iron-on projects such a breeze. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit subscribe for more Cricut videos. Thanks so much for watching.